And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to use the histogram and the clipping indicators in Camera Raw. We'll use the Camera Raw filter in Photoshop for that. Here's our original image. I go to filter and open the raw filter. So the histogram is the thing on the top right, and you can see on the right hand side we've got the whites, highlights, exposures, shadows, and then the blacks on the left. So if I increase the exposure, it moves to the right. If I bring it down, it moves to the left. If I target the blacks only, you can see that the left hand side extends further to the left. And if I increase the whites, it's the right hand side that goes to the right hand. So if I use this little magnifying glass, you can see that the red, green and blue values are shown. It's a numerical value, and the lower it is, the more it is on the left hand side. So the black part over here is on the left, and the higher it is, the more it's on the white side, so on the right of the histogram. We've got these clipping indicators on the left and right, and we can activate them by left clicking on them. Now they're highlighted. If I now increase the whites and move the histogram to the right, you can see this red area, and it means that this white area loses details, and the clipping indicator, it shows that when we've got it activated, it's always red for the whites or the highlights on the right. And if we activate the clipping indicator for the blacks, they're always blue. So if I go down with the blacks, you can see that we've lost a lot of details on the scooter. And the clipping indicator is also highlighted in the histogram. So these indicators help you a lot in determining where you should end your adjustments of the photo, because in most cases you don't want to lose details. So you want to move the curve in the histogram left and right to the point where you don't lose the details. And if you want to deactivate them, just click on them again and they're not highlighted anymore. You can see in this specific example we haven't done much of an adjustment, but it was just to show you how the histogram works and how you can use these clipping indicators as a guideline for your adjustments. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.